Greetings, Blue Bear family. It's me, President 13, Dr. Anthony J. Davis, coming to you on the other side of transplant. I'm sending you this message to say happy Thanksgiving. We have so much to be thankful for. Let me tell you what I'm thankful for. I'm thankful for a loving family who walked with me during my health journey. I'm thankful for my friends, my colleagues, well-wishers who extended prayers and kind words during the darkest season of my life. I'm also thankful that I've been given the opportunity as the 13th president to lead one of the greatest HBCUs in the country. Definitely one of the fastest growing. Listen, Livingstone College has a historic past, a progressive presence, and a visionary future. I'm so excited to lead and serve this great institution. An institution founded by the descendants of freed slaves who gave birth to an audacious idea. And in the words of Dr. Maya Angelou, and still we rise. I want you and yours to have a happy Thanksgiving. And by the way, I'm also thankful that as I come to you this Thanksgiving, I'm extremely thankful that I am completely restored. I'm completely healed. To God be the glory. If you don't have anything to be thankful for, be thankful that He heard our prayers. God bless you all. Have a happy Thanksgiving. And before we go, I got to ask you that question. Who you with? LC?